Welcome to this tutorial on how to create IELTS tests from a PDF file using AI on Selfomy One. Let's walk through this quick process that only takes a few minutes. Before we begin, make sure your test file is ready. The system supports PDF files up to 20 megabytes, including questions, answers, and explanations. Please note that AI currently does not support extracting images, except for simple tables. Now, let's get started with the first step. From the admin dashboard, go to the Quizzes section, select Quizzes, then click on Import Quiz with AI. Step 2. A pop-up window will appear. Here, choose the quiz type, IELTS, TOEIC, or SAT. Then upload your PDF file containing the test or exercises. Next, click PDF Analysis with AI so the system can scan and extract all necessary information. Step 3. To track the processing progress, click again on Import Quiz with AI, then open the Import Progress panel. Processing usually takes between 1 to 5 minutes, depending on the length of your test. You'll see different statuses such as in progress, success, or failed. Step 4. Once the status shows success, click the eye icon to preview the extracted content. At this stage, you can review general settings, check the number of questions, and edit the name of each test. Finally, Step 5. You can choose to import each test individually or import all at once. Simply enter the test name, select the appropriate preset, and click Import or Import All. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully created an IELTS test using AI on Selfomy One. We hope you make the most of this feature.